Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your Shopify navigation or products don't show up in your store. This is a super common problem, and luckily, it's really easy to fix once you know where to look. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your product is actually active. Shopify only displays active products, so if a product is set as a draft or archived, it won't appear in your navigation or online store. Here's how to check that. Log into your Shopify admin and click on Products from the left-hand menu. Now, look at the filters at the top and select Draft. This will show you all the products that are not yet active. If you see your missing product listed there, click on it. Then, on the right side under Status, open the drop-down and change it from Draft to Active. Once you've done that, click Save. Now go back to your store and refresh the page. The product should appear in your navigation or collection. If you didn't find any products listed as drafts, that means all your products are already active. In that case, the issue might be with how your navigation or collections are set up. And we'll check that in the next step in the following video. But for now, that's how you fix the most common reason Shopify navigation items don't show up, simply by activating your products. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to continue with the next part of this fix, where we check collection visibility and menu links. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.